Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you are still buying shipping labels at the post office. You should stop doing this because you can buy discounted shipping labels directly inside Etsy in just a few clicks. How? It's basically in Shop Manager again. So all we're gonna do is go access the website or the app and that's it. So I'm just gonna go through the website this time, open the device and make sure you are fully connected to the internet here. Then go all the way to Etsy.com. Now it's time to log in using your email address and password to access basically the shop manager here as you see in the top right corner. Down, go and look for orders and shipping. Open the order you want to ship, then click get shipping labels. Confirm the package weight, package dimensions, shipping, the carrier basically also, and the service level. You can also review the cost, then click on purchase. Your label is now ready. As for like a bonus tips, Etsy often offers commercial carrier discount. Always double check weight to avoid postage adjustments, then tracking is automatically added to the order. You don't need to do anything much about it. So whenever you need something like this, just go through the shop manager and make sure to check the settings and specifically the orders and shipping settings. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.